Mock DIY, everyone. So you may have seen some of my other videos showing how to unclog or unjam a disposal. Once I get this thing cleaned out, since I've got the disposer off, you see some other some stuff getting chopped up in this thing. Now this goes without saying, don't try this at home. I'm doing this so you don't have to. Don't mess around with stuff that could hurt you. Clean this thing out. Alright, let's try this avocado. Last one, we're going to do an egg. See how the egg works.